Let's review solving two-step equations. The first thing we want to do is draw a line through our equal sign and determine which sides are variables and which side are integers. Side 1 happens to be variables, side 2 happens to be integers. Then I look at the variable side and determine what does not belong. You're right, that positive 2 doesn't belong. In order to make a positive 2 go away or become a 0, we're going to subtract by 2. We subtract by 2 on that side, then we got to subtract by 2 on the other side. Then we have positive 2 and negative 2 become a 0. We have 10 negatives and 2 more negatives. We should end up with a total of negative 12. Then when you take a look here, we have negative 3x, which is negative. I'm picturing 3 negative triangles. So if they're triangles, we know we got to split by negative 3, and I have to split this side by negative 3. Notice that if the triangles are negative or the x values are negative, you have to divide by a negative. And x is going to equal negative 12 divided by negative 3 gives us a positive 4. That's how you solve our first one. Then we take a look at our second problem, and we're going to do the same thing. We're going to draw a line through our equal sign and label which sides are variables and which side are integers. Side 1 happens to be integers. Side 2 happens to be variables. And then you ask yourself what doesn't belong on the variable side. You notice that there's a negative 4. To get rid of a negative 4, we're going to add 4. And if I add 4 on one side, I have to add 4 to the other. And then we have 14 plus 4, which gives us 18. And negative 4 and positive 4 make us 0. Now the last thing I'm going to do is I'm picturing 2x. I see 2x, which I'm picturing 2 triangles. So I know I'm going to split by 2 on both sides. And x is going to equal 18 divided by 2 is 9. And that's your quick review.